Hello friends, welcome to a new video of Microsoft Excel 2016. Most of the Excel users are familiar with Vlookup function, but there is another function in Excel which can be used instead of Vlookup. It is the combination of index and match functions. Both Vlookup and index match functions are used for vertical lookups, but as compared to Vlookup, index match is much more powerful and useful when dealing with the more advanced worksheets which has hundreds or thousands of rows and columns. In this training workbook, I have a small detail of monthly sales and I will use the index match functions to pull out the sales value of a specific month in cell A2. So in cell A2, I will use the index match formula. In Excel, every formula starts with is equal to index. Now the first argument is array. Array is a range from which we want to return a value, or in simple words, the range which have the answers. Our answers are here in column B. This is our array. Remember that when you are using the index formula, never select the headings, never select these headings, only select the data. We are finished with the array, comma. Now the second argument is row number. To find the row number, I will use the match function here. Match function is used to find the relative position of a lookup value in a list. The first argument of match is lookup value, the value we are looking for. I am looking for this value. Whatever month I enter in cell D2, this is my lookup value. I want to find this month from this list, comma. The next argument is lookup array, the value we are looking from. I am looking from this column A. This is my lookup array, comma. Third argument is match type. I need an exact match, 0, close parenthesis, and enter. Just select any month from the list. January, here it is, 153478, 153478. Change the month, August, 358423, 358423. This is how the index match functions are working here. Now let me explain you what index and match functions are actually doing here. Match searches for a country which I entered in cell D2 and returns its relative location from the list. If you select this match formula here and press F9 key, it returns 8. 8 is the relative row number of August. August is in 8th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the relative row number of August. Remember, it is the relative row number, not the actual row number of worksheets. Control G. Now the match tells this location to index functions that August is in 8th row, and in returns the index functions directly go to the 8th row and gives us the value, gives us the sales amount. This is how these two functions are working together. Now you can also use Vlookup function here, which seems very easy in these situations because the detail is very small. You can also use the Vlookup function. Let's use Vlookup here. Vlookup. This is my lookup value, comma. This is the table array, comma. Column index number is 2 because answers are in second column. I need an exact match, 0, close parenthesis, enter. Here it is, 358423. But if your worksheets are more complex, then I will recommend index match functions because it is much more powerful than Vlookup function. One advantage of index match function is that it can pull the lookup value from any column in the array, whereas in Vlookup the lookup value must be in the first column. Another advantage of index match is that it works in both direction, left to right and right to left, which Vlookup functions can't do. Remember that Vlookup cannot look to its left. Let's try. Suppose if I have a sales amount and I want to find the month, and if I use the Vlookup function here, Vlookup, this is my lookup value and this is the table array. Column index number, what should I type here now? column index number, if I type 1 because answers are in first column and I need an exact match, close parenthesis, enter. Just copy any of the value from here, paste it here. It's not working. VLOOKUP cannot look towards its left. But if I use the index match function here, is equal to index array, this is array, comma, for row number I will use match, lookup value is this call cell E5, and lookup array, this is my lookup array, comma, I need an exact match, close parenthesis, enter. Just copy this one here, and here it is. It's working perfectly. Just remember that VLOOKUP cannot look towards its left, but if you are using index match function, no problem, you can work in both direction, left to right and right to left. Now another advantage of index match function is that you can add or delete new column in a lookup table without affecting the results. You can add or delete new column here, no problem. The result will not be affected, because in index match functions you directly specify the column number from which you want to get the value. But if you are using the VLOOKUP function here, if you add or delete a new column in a table array, the result will be affected. It will return the incorrect results. So I will recommend you should use index match functions if your worksheets are more complex. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. To watch more Excel related videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also like my Facebook page and join my Facebook group. If you have any question, just post it on my Facebook page. I will try to answer as soon as possible. The link of my Facebook page is given below in the description. That's all. Take care. Bye bye.